KSYS Company Limited stands at the forefront of the LED display industry in the Republic of Korea. From its smart automated factory in Busan, KSYS produces over 150,000 LED modules each year, establishing itself as a true made-in-Korea LED display specialist. Inside the KSYS Smart Automation facility, every step, from the SMT line to the outdoor line, assembly line, aging room, and logistics, is connected into a single integrated production system. On the SMT line, KSYS directly manufactures its own LED modules and IC chips. With state-of-the-art SMT equipment, even components as small as ± 28 microns are mounted at high speed, allowing automated processes to deliver consistent quality and reliable lead times. From outdoor products, a specialized waterproof and dustproof coating is applied to ensure stable performance under harsh external conditions. The modules are then reinforced with a secure cover, ensuring durability and quality across a wide range of environments. In the assembly line, professional engineers meticulously assemble all in-house produced LED display components. Here, products take in their final form, whether indoor or outdoor LED displays, or even electronic banners. KSYS outdoor display undergo rigorous waterproof testing in a dedicated testing area to ensure dependable operation. Completed LED displays are then tested in the aging room, where real video content is played to verify stability. This aging process identifies any early defects, while precision measurement equipment ensures every unit meets the highest standards. A KSYS aging room can be simultaneously run up to 810 cabinets and 3,240 LED modules, making stable large-scale production and supply possible. Only products that pass these thorough quality checks are carefully packaged and shipped to installation sites. KSYS Company Limited is a company that designs and manufactures LED displays directly in Korea, start to finish. KSYS will continue its mission to shine beyond Korea, becoming a global leader in LED display technology.